Weak is the assurance that weak flesh reposeth in her own power, and scorneth others' aid, that soonest falls when as she most supposeth herself assured, and is of naught afraid. All flesh is frail, and all her strength unstayed, like a vain bubble blown up with air, devouring time and changeful chance have prayed her glorious pride that none may it repair. None so rich or wise, so strong or fair, but faileth, trusting on his own assurance. And he that standeth on the highest stair falls lowest, for on earth naught hath endurance. Why then do ye, proud fair, misdeem so far, that to yourself ye most assurèd are?